Crafty Friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa. I am finally back. I have been sick for the past week or so. After I posted my video, I got super sick, you guys. Oh my gosh. I thought I was dying. I couldn't breathe. I was so congested. Anywho, I am back. You still hear me, sniffling over here because I'm not 100%. But at least I got my voice back, so that's great. And I have had these projects in the works. I stamped up a bunch of stuff from Dianna Marcum because I got her new stamps last month, and I had a few projects that I was, sharing here and there. And I know I've shared some on Instagram. That's the quickest way for me to get my stuff out. And oh my gosh, you guys, I could not catch up. I just felt no energy, so sick. But these stamps, I had them stamped up and I had some projects in the works, and I did share, I think, a set of stamps the last time I posted a video, I believe, if I remember correctly, although I'm not 100%. And I can't remember if I shared these tags with you guys. I want to say I did, but I hadn't finished them. Anyways, I finished them up. Oh my gosh, they're so cute, you guys. I added some trims. I need to add a charm, but I can't find the ones that I'm looking for. I had some pink little gingies and I can't find them. And so now I gotta like scramble. But I made those, and I had a few things stamped up and colored, and in my head I wanted to make a pink and red little mini album, and I could not think how to put it together. But I've been working on some Christmas cards because I've received a few Christmas cards, and so I need to mail some out. And I came across this stash of envelopes, and it hit me to make a little mini album using my envelopes. And so that's what I did. Oh, you guys, so cute. I pulled out some fabric to cover up, my binding. So cute. I think I need to make a quick little tutorial on how I made this one, but I love how it turned out. I did do like pinks and reds. So cute. I just love the design. Little bakery. Anyways, when you open it up, it has, places for your pictures. I did do extra little coloring and fussy cutting. I added some extra stamps there for my stash. This is a ScrapDiva Designs die. It's from the candy bag. So cute. And then this is the stamp. Like I said, I took them and I stamped them, and then I fussy cut them out to use them individually so that I can get more use out of my stamps instead of just feeling like I have to do one whole stamp. It's so cute, you guys. And this paper that I use, it is Holiday Brights. It's a Michaels, but they're the thin ones, so that's why I backed it up. Now these right here, I have been trying to finish another set of 6x6. It's called Say Freeze. I've been trying to finish it because I only have a few pages left, so that's why I'm pulling them out and using them here and there. As long as the color matches, that's what I wanted to go for. Here, as you can see, I did some more coloring. I added some trim. Isn't that so cute? I just love it. Oh, so cute. And then over here, I used one of ScrapDiva Designs tags from last month. I have a few cut out, and so I like the color that was red and pink, and so I added it there. This is a fun little stamp that I picked up from, I think it's called Whimsy Stamps. I can't remember. If I find the list, remember the name and look for it, I'll put in the description. But it's like a stamp set, and I'm just gonna put this here, and now you have like an extra little space for journaling. How cute. And then I fussy cut out the gingerbread from this set here. So cute, you guys. And then I wanted to do like the little candy bags from ScrapDiva Designs, and I wanted to put like a picture, like you can put pictures back here. Wouldn't that be so cute? So I just glued down this part at the bottom, and then you just slide your pictures in the back. And then I pulled out these cute little bows because I thought it'd be fun to have some there. And then since it was a Santa paper, I thought I would use one of ScrapDiva Designs mini Santa hats that she had from last month and add it here. I pulled out some of my stamps. Actually, this is a new set. I think it's a Kerri Bradford. Yes. I just got this. I used this part here and stamped that there. And then I used this holiday moment and stamped that there. So cute. I really like this. This is why I bought it, because I like this music part. I think they're still available. I'll link it in the description box, but They're so cute. And then I pulled out like this old time gingerbread little die set, and I did it in pink since I'm going with the pink and red. Of course, I had to add that Marshall's trim. And then I did some fussy cutting and some paper piecing for this here. Now, this is an older set that I have from Dianna. It is so cute, you guys. Look at this. Adorbs. I need to do one with the mugs is what I really want to do. So I need to find time for that. And then I fussy cut them out here and added them. This is a Heidi Swap paper, but I like the pink and red, so I added it there. And I feel like it brings out the red in contrast to the pink in the background. And then that more pom-pom trim there. And this is my little mini album. Oh, and then I added a little Gingy back here. So cute. Isn't that adorable? And this ribbon comes from Michael's, from that set that they were selling that you buy one, get 3 free. So I'm definitely using my stuff. And then, you guys, oh, look at this cuteness. So I had this colored, and I've had it in my head that I wanted to do like red and greens and like very Christmassy vibe. And so when I cut it out, I realized that I wanted to use it for the front and center of the little purse. Isn't this cute? The little bow gift bag. I didn't add the little pockets for this one because I just wanted to really just focus on it just being like a little gift bag. And then on the back side, I decided to cut out the little snowman face. Now, it doesn't go gingerbread, but I just love that little face. And it fits so perfect there. I couldn't pass it up. And the colors match with the reds and greens. And then I added this fun trim. And then here I decided to do the Christmas lights that are just red and pink from the paper collection. I think it's called Christmas Noel. And then I have, again, I used the Safe Freeze to do the little snowman. But on the inside, or let's talk about my little trim or charm dangle here. I have these from, I think these are Hobby Lobby. Anyways, I decided to just make it like a charm dangle. And then I added one here, all these little fun charms. This is, I call it the Leah style. She had a tutorial. She's, I think, Thrifty Day, and she does junk journals and does like amazing tassels, like charm dangles. And so I decided to kind of copy that style, and I love it. I love her channel. She has really fun stuff that she shares, and just a bunch of different types of trims that are in my stash. But how cute is that? And then on the inside, I don't know if you guys were on my Instagram, but I posted a reel. I keep needing to post them over here. And I used Erica's new round charcuterie add-on. I love the way it goes with the round one that she has. So if you have this in your stash, works perfect. Now, if you don't have her round one and you just want the add-on, I think you can take like a circle die and like cut it out, and it'll lay nicely in the center of it, you know, because I'm gonna do one with a cute little gingerbread, which I can't find, you guys. I had it here and now I can't find it. I tell you, oh, here it is. I want to make one with this. I found it in my stash. I colored it. This is a another one of Dianna Marcum's, but I think I'm gonna, like, you know, cut out a circle, do the little gingerbread, and then cut out the round charcuterie that matches this size, because I know there's one in between this size that I think will work perfect like this. Oh, I can't wait. I'm gonna make it a card. But I added some glitter to this, some more of that ribbon, some fun flowers. So cute. And since it was like the pink and red, thought I added here. Did some fussy cutting and layered it up. This is a Lily of the Valley. Jill Norwood turned me to her. But she has a digital kits now, so you can get them digital, and then you can resize them for whatever you want. And this one here, kind of simple, but I just wanted the stamp to stand out. And so I just added a fun little punch flower that I made, and the little hollies and berries that Erica put out. And then, of course, some fun trims. And then the other one that I did, you guys, oh my gosh. I love these little bags. How cute is that? I made shakers with these, like simple shakers. Her new bow, it's a shaker bow, but it's so cute. And the little Cookies and Christmas comes from the Joann's kits that I picked up last year. And then the candy mix is part of her die set. And then this is just more of that ephemera. But how cute is that? But then this one, you guys, I did some stamping. Like I said, I had this idea in my head for a while. Love the way it turned out. I kept them here so I can show you guys. I used a Post-it note because I don't have the masking tape. I keep forgetting to buy it because I don't stamp all that frequently, or if I do, it's individual. But I took some masking, created my own masking with Post-it notes, and I just lay them down, you know, like this, and then I stamp, and so then you get those layers. That makes sense. But isn't that so cute? And then I added the cookies there and her winter flower here with the holly berry leaves. So cute. Okay, you guys, these are my projects. I will link everything in the description box that I used. Links to the stamps, the dies. They're all ScrapDiva Designs. Most of them are. But I'll link it all in the description box. And I appreciate you guys stopping by to check out these projects. Don't forget, I do have a code for Erica's shop, MWalker10. You save 10%. Sign up for the mailers so that you guys can get direct links to all the projects. Because the girls, I've been trying to catch up on YouTube. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're so cute. I've been watching on my TV. And I need to go back and make comments because I can't through my TV. I wish I could. But definitely check out all the girls because they, you know, are so inspirational. And it just gives us more ideas to get creative and share. And Dianna Stamps. Oh, I love them. The Christmas ones are so awesome. And I think there's new ones too. So I'm definitely looking forward to those. And thank you guys again so much for watching. I appreciate you guys stopping by. And I hope that you guys are staying healthy and warm because over here it is cold, cold. We have this weird fog right now that won't leave us alone. But it's okay because then in the summer it's crazy hot and I don't want to go out either. I'm indoor anyways, but anywho, I hope you guys have a great week and come back for some more videos soon. Bye.